Welcome back. You're watching NewsX and I'm Medha Sharan. The rehearsals for the 77th Republic Day Parade are underway at Kartavya Path ahead of the January 26 celebrations. Notably, the European Council President Antonio Costa and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen will be the chief guests for the 77th Republic Day celebrations. They will also represent the EU at the 16th EU-India Summit scheduled for January 27. The two presidents will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi for a summit to consolidate the EU-India strategic partnership and further strengthen cooperation in key policy areas. My colleague Brian Thomas was on the ground today morning and has filed some exclusive ground reports. Let's take a look.
Well, we are at the Kartavya Path and here, ahead of the Republic Day celebrations, the practice sessions are going on. You can see these visuals also that is taking place. Now, this year's theme is clearly 150 years of the Vande Mataram, marking a very cultural, historical celebration. The chief guest would be President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, and the President of European Council, Antonio Costa. There would be 18 marching contingents with 13 military bands representing the diversity and even India's strength in terms of defense and paramilitary forces. The notable contingent would be the animal contingent, scout contingent, Rajput contingent, Assam contingent, the Jammu and Kashmir light infantry, that is the JAK-LI artillery contingent, and the very important notable Bhairav contingent. This is the Paramveer Chakra also. Now there are many such vehicles, many such contingents that will be going at a course of time. This will be around 90 minutes, and this entire celebration is going to be very historic, very important, because this is the first time where, in terms of animal contingent, Bactrian camels, Zanskar ponies, army dogs, raptors would be there, and a similar incident also happened. A similar contingent happened at the Army Day also, Sena Divas, where we were there at Jaipur, and we also covered this very incident that happened where the parade was going on, where there were several of these contingents going on, and that was also for 90 minutes. Post that, the COS, that is the Chief of Army Staff, also addressed the media, also addressed the public, also showing what the Indian Army, what the Indian Defence has to showcase their prowess, and the fact that how India is building their Atmanirbharta, and in terms of how indigenous they are becoming. And as we are showing you also, this entire time the practice is going on, and on the 23rd itself they would be beating the retreat, and then again after and again on 26th there would be Republic Day celebration. So clearly ahead of that the practice sessions are going on. It starts from 5 AM and 10:15 is the time, 10:15 is the time when the entire contingent come and they practice itself. This is me, Brian Thomas, signing on campus Deepak for NewsX Delhi. We are at Kartavya Path and you can see these visuals also of the fact the mechanized columns and battle array show the prowess of Indian Army. This is the MPT MK1, the Bhishma tank T90, the Arjun main battle tanks itself, the BrahMos missile system is also a part of the prowess of the mechanized columns and battle array. There is Akash air defense systems, there is the medium range surface to air missiles, the advanced Taud artillery gun systems, Dhanush artillery guns, drone Shakti and UGV, unmanned ground vehicles, and all terrain vehicles, ATVs and robotic mules. This is the very Nag MSL SI West tracked and the Sarat ICV BM2. Again, apart from that, there is this multiple mechanized columns, battle arrays that are part of the Republic Day celebrations. This is the Randhwaj. Apart from that, the Ajay Ketu all-terrain vehicle. So many such of these vehicles are a part of the Republic Day that is scheduled to happen on 26 January. These are the mule, the robotic, dogs, which was also a part of Jaipur Army Day. So these become very iconic. These are these contingents also that participate in the Republic Day, and it's going to be extremely iconic and very special this year. And again, Again, since this year we are also celebrating the 150 years of Vande Mataram. Again, this is the Airavat, which is also called the Vehicle Mounted Infantry Motor System. You will get a catalog on the day so that you get an understanding of these iconic machinery, iconic mechanized columns, battle arrays. The tableau will be given, the cultural tableau will be given to speak about our defense prowess, the defense strength from states, ministries, which will also focus predominantly the Bhairav unmanned ground vehicle, also the unmanned ground vehicle Bhuvi Raksha, and this also you can see the very Nigra unmanned ground vehicle and the Krishna unmanned ground vehicle, again part of the Republic Day 2026. Ahead are these visuals that we are showing you. The parade will be more engaging and dynamic with battle array formations. There would be aerial component that would be showcasing coordinated battle display. So clearly this year the Republic Day is extremely going to be iconic and very historic for all the Indians who will be participating, who will be witnessing this very historic moment of Republic Day. This is me, Branandi Thomas, signing your camera person Deepak for News X.